Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to find the Swift code of the Mashreq Bank UAE. For that, first of all, you will have to come here on the official website of the Mashreq Bank, which is mashreq.com. Once you are here, use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now you need to simply just look for any of the articles which is relating to the Swift codes. If you find that articles, you just have to go through the details and try to get the Swift code of the bank. Now, if this method isn't working for you, you can just simply scroll down here on the page. After that, simply click on the option of contact us. You can just try to contact to the customer support team of the Mashreq Bank, and then you can get your Swift code. You can also use this website, which is absolutely stunning. You can just simply come here and select your country, which in our case is UAE or United Arab Emirates. After that, simply select your bank, which in our case is the Mashreq Bank. So after selecting it, simply select the city and it is going to show you all of the Swift codes which are available as per the details that you have mentioned here. Now you can use any of the Swift codes and you can make your international transactions smoothly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.